My name is Leszek Dembczynski. I'm production manager at SPT Labtech. I've got a strong responsibility for people aspect, the workforce, and making sure that they motivated, they coach, they lead by the example, but also it goes together with making sure that the instruments are built on timely manner, on schedule, and delivered to our end users, to the highest standard possible. I have done no apprenticeship as such. However, again, being lucky, living in the environment and being shown the environments in early days, our experience and lots of engineering in my life, even before my study. So I took the part of the university study, done my master's degree, but during this time I was already experienced a lot with the engineering aspect, and I had odd jobs there and there to kind of put those skills into real life. Experimenting or making things happen, designing it, understanding the concept of the design, especially if it's a design for manufacturing, because you could be a great designer, but understanding what might make life easier in the manufacturing environment, it's a real life aspect. So I think it's very important to have this possibility to experience and put those study and education into the actual life. When you're a kid and you come across some mechanical aspects, how the things are working together, how to put things together, I have started experimenting, dismantling the things and kind of reverse engineering and then putting it back together. By the time you've always been left with a couple of screws, and then you've been impressed it's still working. So I think it's that kind of interest into making sure that you know a little bit more of how the things are put together. So whatever you do, it might actually influence many different industries. It might help them to improve. It might help them to develop the new product which is not on the market, or makes things more reliable or durable. So I think that's kind of what I would say it's interesting in that respect.